The Suzuki Jimny Light Commercial Vehicle, or LCV, is a unique small van with a rich character and impressive off-road capabilities. However, its limited payload and the single-model option restrict its practicality for commercial use. Powered by a 1.5-liter petrol engine, the Jimny LCV delivers 100 brake horsepower and 95 pound-feet of torque. Its 5-speed manual gearbox and All-Grip Pro 4-wheel drive system make it adept off-road, though it struggles with heavy loads and towing. Inside, the Jimny LCV retains its passenger car feel, with a utilitarian design and a steel mesh partition replacing rear seats. The interior is narrow but functional, offering 0.86 cubic meters of load space, albeit with limited payload capacity. The Jimny LCV is attractively priced, especially for businesses reclaiming VAT. Its rarity in the UK market suggests strong residual values. However, fuel economy is modest at 36.7 miles per gallon, and safety ratings are average, with 3 stars from Euro NCAP. The Suzuki Jimny LCV is a charming off-road capable vehicle with limited commercial utility. Its appeal lies in its character and affordability, making it a niche choice for those prioritizing off-road performance over payload capacity.